Batumi is the second largest city of Georgia, located on the coast of the Black Sea in Georgia's southwest. It is situated in a subtropical zone at the foot of the Caucasus. Batumi, the Pearl of the Black Sea as it is often called, is administrative center of Ajara. European architects undertook numerous projects in Batumi at the beginning of the 20th century. Today, Batumi is still a place of numerous architectural innovations. Since 2010, Batumi has been transformed by the construction of modern high-rise buildings as well as the restoration of classical 19th century edifices lining its historic old town. City's skyline has been transformed with remarkable buildings and monuments of contemporary architecture. Batumi today is one of the main port cities of Georgia. Much of Batumi's economy revolves around tourism and gambling. It is nicknamed the Las Vegas of the Black Sea. But the city is also an important seaport and includes industries like shipbuilding, food processing and light manufacturing. Batumi was declared the best tourist destination by the American Academy of Hospitality Sciences in 2012. In recent Forbes rankings, Batumi was given a place amongst top 5 Velvet Season recreational resorts. However, this doesn't mean that Batumi is suitable for only Velvet Season leisure activities. You can visit the city all year round for business or recreation. Batumi can be a perfect destination whether for high-profile international meetings or family weekends. This is Batumi, the city that will leave an indelible impression on your mind.